Wish me luck, guys. I'm out for the game. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Yo. You feel me? So what up, people? So today we are actually in campus and I'm actually coming to skate a little. Like I said, every Saturday I want to be doing some sort of skating. So we came here and I think there are some people over there also skating as well. So basically we are about to start the whole thing, and as you can see, my friends too are right over there. You can see them having a bit of chat. So all right, let's get started with the whole thing. See you. Welcome to the vlog. Peace. So guys, we are actually here, and like I told you guys that I'll be vlogging alongside as I'll be skating. We are here and we're about to start. So let's quickly jump into the show. When you're trying to move, you move like this manner. Oh, try and go bit by bit, like something like this. Then you move, go. Then as you move it like that, then move along side with it. I'm trying to go in circles because I want to know how to balance myself and how to stop the skate while I'm moving, just in case I come across anything that is going to injure me. I don't want it to be like that. So I'm trying to learn how to go in circles so that everything will work. This thing isn't easy, but guys.
So won't you love me better? I'm waiting here. I need you now. Gravity can't hold us down. So just take me there to higher ground. Save me. I'm holding on to you. My soul is fading. I'm falling into blue. Why don't you save me?
to that side, and we'll see the winner. We'll race back to here. So, guys,
Which side?
I really don't want to.
The tree or the end?
No, to that side, the end, where the tree is. So we'll race to that
The
side.
last happy kid.
Yeah, not happy kid, where the lady is standing over there.
Aye.
Yeah, so we'll race to that side and we'll come back to this place. So guys, I don't want to be a loser. And I want to win this. So wish me luck. So we are going. So 1, 2, so we'll start like this. On our marks,
Set. Ready. Kiss your ass, babies. Get out. We'll start it again.
Ain't no surprise that I can't sleep tonight. My only vice standing by.
Man.
So won't you
Go where, man? You're the winner.
I need you now.
Look at him. Look at him. Stay at the back. Still pushing.
so I'm the loser here.
So he came last, man. Well done. Well done.
I lost. Definitely, I was down to the ground, so I won't take it as a loss because I didn't start. Okay, so you want us to go again. So, guys, let's go one more time then. End this project. Last time, let's go back.
On your mark. Set. You ready? Go, man. Let's do this. Go.
Let's go.
Go, go. What happened, man? What happened, man?
Guys, I'm not doing this again.
Oh. What happened, man?
I give him the. He won. I'm giving up.
You give up.
No, I'm giving up, man. I'm not gonna do this. So that's all for you guys today. You know, literally we had a lot of fun alongside with it. I'm trying to learn this, you know, to try and be good in it. But anyway, you know, as you fall, as you move, it all motivates you to be your best. Definitely, I know I'm gonna be one of the best skaters. You know, we are gonna do this. So definitely, he won. I'm giving him the. He won. So that's all for you guys today, and you know, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Catch up. See you.
So just take